Boston Dynamics Atlas robot has seen significant advancements in 2024, transitioning from a hydraulic-powered system to a fully electric platform. This shift to electric motors brings several benefits, including reduced complexity, lower noise levels, and a lighter design. Atlas, known for its dynamic movements like backflips and complex jumps, has now become even more flexible, capable of contorting its body in ways humans cannot. For instance, the new electric Atlas can rise to its feet by folding its legs against its torso and pivoting in a nearly acrobatic motion. The new electric design enables Atlas to perform more fluid, complex movements and opens doors for commercial applications. Boston Dynamics is now focusing on bringing Atlas to real-world industries, particularly in collaboration with Hyundai. They are aiming to pilot Atlas in manufacturing environments where it can assist with various tasks, ranging from lifting heavy objects to navigating intricate spaces. Though Atlas is incredibly advanced, Boston Dynamics has acknowledged that the robot is still targeted at niche applications. The goal is to make it multifunctional, addressing a range of industrial needs rather than just repetitive tasks. However, there is still some time before Atlas becomes a common sight in everyday tasks like household chores. This latest phase of development also integrates advanced AI technologies such as reinforcement learning, allowing Atlas to better adapt to unpredictable environments and improve its autonomy. The robot's head design has been kept simple and non-human-like to avoid the uncanny valley effect, making it appear more approachable and less dystopian. Despite the rapid development, there is still much to be proven regarding Atlas's long-term strength and capabilities compared to its hydraulic predecessor. However, Boston Dynamics is confident that the electric Atlas is more than up to the task, and they plan to roll out real-world tests in partnership with key industry players like Hyundai over the next few years. For more of this kind of information, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and let's meet in the comments.